SpongeBob's coming to video and DVD.
Yo-ho, the sponge is in town.
With 10 episodes that are something to see.
His body is yellow and his pants are brown.
If nautical tales make you get up and dance.
Jerry's a snail, not a hound.
You'll be splitting your sides, you'll be splitting your pants.
Yo-ho, soaking wet, he weighs less than a pound.
Ahoy, mateys! SpongeBob's a-comin'! For the first time on video and DVD, it's nautical nonsense and Sponge Buddies. See SpongeBob himself in all his jellyfish and Krabby Patty flippin' glory.
What a great day.
Love that SpongeBob.
And his first mate Patrick, full of gleeful angst.
I was one of the beautiful people. Now look at me.
And Sandy Cheeks, shiver me timbers. You don't want to mess with that lassie.
Don't you dare take the name of Texas in vain!
You go, squirrel.
And Squidward, Mr. Krabs, Gary the Snail. It's the whole gang from Bikini Bottom. SpongeBob at his finest, I tell ye. Nautical nonsense and Sponge Buddies, two must-see rip-roaring epics.
We give it 4 starfish.
Never before has a sponge been so absorbing.
Tour Bikini Bottom without putting on a wetsuit.
'Tis 10 splashy episodes of SpongeBob at his swabbiest. Nautical nonsense and Sponge Buddies, available now on video cassette and DVD. SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants.
They're sponge chilling, Angelica quaking, planktifying.
Now that's scary!
They're 2 new home videos. The Rugrats Halloween on VHS and SpongeBob Halloween on VHS and DVD. In the Rugrats Halloween, ghouls and goblins scare the diapers off Chucky and the babies in their search for treats in Screenland.
Trick or treat! Smell my feet! Give me something good to eat!
In SpongeBob Halloween, ghosts and evil doodles threaten the citizens of Bikini Bottom. Can SpongeBob save the day?
I will not let you down!
And only on the SpongeBob DVD, 5 extra episodes of spine-tingling adventures for your ghoulish pleasure. Celebrate Halloween with 2 spooktacular home videos, available wherever videos are sold. The Rugrats Halloween on VHS and SpongeBob Halloween on VHS and DVD in stores now.
Look for Little Bear in his very first feature-length movie, available only on video and DVD.
It's Nick Jr., here comes the show now. Nick Jr.'s on video. Get ready, get set, let's go. It's Nick Jr. on video.
Available now on video. Look for Nick Jr.'s newest shows. From Bill Cosby and Nick Jr. comes Little Bill.
Hello, friend.
Who shows everyone it's great to be 5.
Good morning, good morning. It's a happy day today. Hi, I'm Dora. How do we get to the little blue tree?
And there's no shortage of play-along adventure with Dora the Explorer.
Come on, vámonos. Everybody, let's go.
Both available now on video cassette. Also look for Little Bear. Be a detective with Little Sherlock Bear.
A mystery for Detective Little Bear.
And think along with Steve to find out what Blue wants in all kinds of signs and playtime with Periwinkle. 2 new videos from Blue's Clues.
Thank you so much for all your help today.
You can collect them all on home video. Plus, keep an eye out for Blue's first feature-length hit, Blue's Big Musical Movie, on video cassette and DVD.
It's Nick Jr., here comes the show now. Nick Jr.'s on video. Get ready, get set, let's go. It's Nick Jr. on video.
And now we're pleased to bring you our feature presentation.